Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your character must meet the magic level and carry the arcane catalyst. Once done, gather 3 Azure shards from the Frost Caverns. The shards spawn more often after clearing minibosses. Make sure to unlock the region where the Azure Dust NPC appears by completing the nearby quest node, because the NPC triggers the recipe. Now take your shards and catalyst to a safe zone. You're ready for the first crafting attempts. You now perform the detailed crafting. At the alchemy bench, place the arcane catalyst in the primary slot, then add the 3 Azure shards in the order you collected them. Order influences potency. Once placed, apply an essence infusion of at least 50% to stabilize the reaction. During the final tick, time a short input. Press the confirm button when the meter aligns to reduce corruption and increase your success chance. If you fail, salvage what you can and retry with another shard. You finish by binding the crafted Azure Dust into the spell at the Sacred Flame. Take the dust from your inventory and choose Bind. Once bound, test the spell in a low-risk encounter to confirm function. If binding fails, check catalyst durability and shard purity. Low durability or impure shards cause failures. If issues persist, run a purification ritual or add extra essence infusion before rebinding. This often recovers lost potency and prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.